Hey everybody, Mike and Rich Mike. We are back with another IAAI Tulsa walk around video showing you some of the cool cars they have here in Big T-Town, Oklahoma. Let's take a look at all of these amazing cars. They could be yours. You don't have to be a dealer to actually buy cars here. You can buy wonderful examples of the BMW Z4 or Z4, like this one right there. And it's not as bad as it looks. It's not, it's really not. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? All right, it looks like snow. That's hail, folks. Rolls-Royce Dawn. Oh my goodness, why is my life so fun? Come on, car, you're floored. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was gonna be perfect, right? Why can't I, like, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Isn't she lovely? Isn't she beautiful? And it's an easy fix, believe it or not. I think it could be an easy fix. You know why? I'll show you here in a second. 2016 BMW Z4 Z4 for Gary and some of the other followers from across the pond. I have several people who do watch these crazy videos that I put together. I appreciate that. But this is a beautiful car. Look how they kind of changed it up from the previous body style that we showed you at the IAA auction in Oklahoma City. This looks bad, but it's a bolt-on piece. Let me show you. Right here on this side, yeah, this is the good piece. It bolts on, so it's not like a typical quarter panel where you have to, you know, cut it and weld a new piece in there. Nope, it's a bolt-on part. Thank you very much, BMW. That is smart. Now, as far as damage, well, you're gonna have a bumper. There is some damage to this piece right here, which is welded on, but what does it do? It's just there for support. Well, you can. Look, right here. This bolts on as well. So you need a rear, there's your part number. Turn that upside down, and you know what you need to order. Yeah, this would be an easy fix. Get yourself a tail light, although it may be in the trunk. It could be. Wheels look good. Tires look good. Bridgestone, they're all holding air. I like this. See, once again, that's holding air. They all match. Look at that. So in the pictures, it's going to be horrible. And there is a little bit of dirt because they can't get the top to go up. But look at this interior. I'm going to sit down. I don't care if I get dirty. I got to check this out, okay? This has been detailed according to the picture right there. But look. Ooh. Well, you know the words. Mikey likes. Yep, get a cup holder right here. We do have power. Is this thing gonna start? Holy crap, here we go. Let's just give it a quick try. 3, 2, 1. No, dadgummit. Dagnabbit. Yep. Okay, let's just kind of see what's going on here. Here we go. It's in park. We are in park. No key. The key's right here. Come on, key. There it is. Here we go. Things are coming alive. And let there be life. Ah, you're kidding. So close. So close. One more time. Here we go. You ready? Doggone it. Okay. What do the windows do? No. Okay. Well, what do you guys think? Should we try to give her a start? I can't move that. Okay, come on out. Come on out. Okay, she's in park. She's in park. This should be going down here in a second. Okay. Well, let's see if we can open the hood. Or the trunk. That's not gonna open. This opens. Okay. Let's just kind of see. I guess I can do this because it's already been removed. Someone has already taken that off. So let's just kind of feel around and see what's going to happen. Oh, yes, sir. This is beautiful. And it's in really, really good condition. It's clean. Do we have any issues? I don't see any issues. Wow. You get all the room you need to work on it here. It's not buried halfway under the into the firewall right there. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. Well, I like it. I like it a lot. Should we try to jump it? Should we just kind of see what's going to happen? Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, we're loaded with power. Let's see if she's going to do something for us. She's going to do something great for us, I can tell already. Yep. Okay, here it is. Is this the discovery of a lifetime? I don't know. But Mikey likey. There it is. Come on, BMW. Here it is. Yep. Oh, she sounds so good. 35,000 miles, exactly 35,000 miles on the odometer. Wow. This is really nice. This is super nice. She does drive. There's a little bit of a stumble. There is a little bit of a stumble. Now, will this even... I can't get the roof to come up. Okay, let's just see what's going to happen here. Yeah, there's an issue with the roof. Hard top control malfunction. Hard top position and locking cannot be detected. Driving can be continued when hard top is securely locked. Doggone it. Well, I was going to do him a favor and put the hard top up, but I can't. How about a 2013 Nissan Altima? Yep, you see these cars everywhere. This one has a bit of an issue in the back. I don't even know. I haven't really walked around to see how serious it is. And it's not very serious at all. Well, okay, maybe it is. Yeah, she took it in the hind quarter right here. Wow. I mean, the bumper would hold a lot of that, but you need to pull that out just so everything fits correctly. They've got the bumper kind of wired on right now. That might be a little expensive to fix for this car. Oh, here's a piece. Here's some car pieces for you. Nice interior. Way to go, Nissan. Okay, let's see what the front looks like. It's been a pretty busy day out here with a lot of potential buyers checking out cars. I'm trying to stay away from them so they don't bother my little videos. This one has power, and she's been blinged. Yep, bling, bling, and bling. Let's bling it up and see what happens. Okay, so she runs. This is nice. This is really nice. This is why I see a lot of these on the road. They've made them a little bigger. You get a sunroof with this one right here. Okay, that's all right. She does sound good. 114,000 miles. And it's a 2013. So 9 years old. Air conditioning is cold. Yes, sir. No USB memory, but that's okay. Have the controls on the steering wheel. Low tire pressure in one of the tires. Heated seats. We don't want that on. No, turn that off. 2 storage bins. Oh. Nice glove box. Lots of room in there. This is nice. What do you think? Possibly? I don't know, that rear quarter could be very expensive to fix. When you get parts for these for next to nothing. But having someone pull that, I don't know. We got to think about that one. We really are going to have to think about that one. Let's turn this off. It's perfect. It runs perfect. Of course it should. Yeah, let's take a look at the engine. I got to say, I like the white. Look at the flakes. This is a gorgeous color. It really is. This is a pretty car. Okay, battery is 4 years old, but it still starts right up. A little corrosion on the battery. She runs and drives. Well, I can't say she drives. She runs good. Everything looks to be in order under here. I don't see any major leaks or anything. But why should there be? Yeah. Look at this. All right, if it weren't for the rear quarter, this little damage right here, she'd be a contender. She really, really would. It's a beautiful car, except for this. Doggone it, that's gonna take a lot of pulling. Yeah. Okay, well, thank you, Altima SL. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, look at this. This is the twin sister, I believe, to the car that I drove today. Yep. This is a 2008 Mercedes S-Class. I just can't explain how much I love these cars. I drove mine from here to Atlanta to see my grandson and my daughter and my son-in-law. It's an S320. Oh, so it's the 6-cylinder. And I got 23.49 miles to the gallon on a big V8. Yeah, that's going 80. Almost 24 miles to the gallon. Oh, here's why she's here. This is exactly why she's here. So we have a bit of an impact issue right there and right here. But you know what? These doors, you can find them anywhere in Dallas for very little money. And the fenders, same thing. And the turn signal, exact same thing. And even the little hood ornament, 20 bucks. You can get a new one on eBay. Yeah. Oh, gosh. I love this. I love it. What color is the inside? Is it black or is it gray? It's black. Oh. Excuse me. The dust out here is getting to me. And look at the C-pillar panels right there. They're not falling off like on my car. Oh my goodness. And oh, hello. Okay. Well, you can tell how a car has been kept, a Mercedes, from this era by the wood. Okay, so this car, look at the wood. That's perfect. No cracks, no scratches, no nothing. And look at the seats. The seats look new. That will go back in. That will go back in so very easily. There we go. You get some Band-Aids, your owner's manual, everything else. You even have your old phone right here. How many miles? How many miles do you think? Here's a Jiffy Lube. Okay, so last service date, 3 of 22, 212,000 miles. If I go back to the Jiffy Lube, I get 15% off. There we go. Yes, 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 yes. 1998. I know it's going to be dead, but we're going to give it a start. Oh my goodness. This key is not locked in. I wish it was. I love the black. I love it. Oh gosh. Decisions, decisions, decisions. All right, super easy to open. Here we go. There it is. And voila. Oh, straight 6. Only issue with these, if you know anything about them, is a head gasket leak. Sometimes down around here. That's the only bad thing about these. And this one looks clean, clean and clear. Look how clean it is, though. I don't see any drips. Holy crap. This is not what I need in my life, but it's exactly what I want in my life. Oil, freshly changed. Thank you, Jiffy Lube. Power steering goes in here. This hose has been replaced. That's okay. Okay, because it's the S320, you don't have the rear hydraulic suspension. So in my car, I have a canister right here because the back two shocks are hydraulic and they adjust. And sometimes that can go wrong. But you don't. You get regular struts and shocks in the S320. And these look new. Those look brand new. Oh, you know what's going to happen. Can you feel it coming? Yep, me too. I can feel it. It's going to happen. We're going to give her a start. Hopefully so. Okay, this is just like my car. Okay, we get this. Oh, well, let's see if there is a spare. There's a spare in there. And we'll take this out and this. Oh, that's a nice battery. Interstate? Those are great batteries. Whoever had this car took care of it. The paint is a little faded, but that's okay. All right, we'll be back. Hold on. Well, somebody should have invested in a bigger booster. I need that big one that Randy has for like $1,300. I don't have enough juice left. Okay, see, there is some power. It's on, you put the power on first. I've only got one bar, and then when I attach it, my not so good light comes on, and I can't manually override. Let's just see what happens anyway. I don't care. We're just going to try to turn it just to see. Listen to this. Yep. Thank you very much. Look, there's no wear on the seat. This is going home with me, hopefully. Hopefully. Yeah, she's not gonna. Dadgummit. Now, the one thing about these cars, and that's all of these W140s, keys like this are very hard to find, okay? So if you are looking for a car and it doesn't have a key, good luck. You're gonna have to get one made somehow from a third party, because according to my Mercedes people, you can't get these keys anymore. And that is a big issue. And I was looking at a 500 SL, and it was like $1,800, but it didn't have a key, and I couldn't find a place that would make a key for me, so I didn't get the car. I think it was a 98 as well. Shoot, doggone it! I should have bought a bigger. You need to be bigger. Well, what do you think? Should she go home with me? Yes, absolutely, she should go home with me, and so should several of these cars. That BMW, such an easy fix. And what a beautiful car that would be as well. Wow, you could probably fix that one for $1,500, quarter panel and a bumper and a taillight. That could have been in the trunk that I forgot to open. Or this. Very easy fix. Get a door and a fender. They come in silver. Just bolt them right on. No big deal. All right. Decisions. I love this car. I really do. Anyway, we're going to have more coming up for you on the channel from IAAI Tulsa, or IAA. Some people ask me, why do you call it IAA and sometimes IAAI? Well, they do it themselves. So it's an IAAI.com website, but even on the website, they say IAA, Insurance Auto Auctions. So I kind of flip those and use them back and forth. Anyway, please like, please subscribe. We are getting some content as Mike gets his hands dirty, so I'm not totally relying just on these walk around videos. These videos I like to do because I'm actually on the hunt for some other cars to purchase so I can fix them up and show you how you can do it yourself. So I haven't given that part of my channel up. No sirree, Bob. Wouldn't do that at all, okay? Please like, please subscribe, and I'm back very soon. Bye-bye.